The universe is full of surprises, vast and mysterious, stretching far beyond what our eyes can see or our minds can easily comprehend. And so is humanity's journey, an ever-evolving story of discovery, ambition, and resilience, unfolding with every step we take. We think we know the rules, but every so often, an idea comes along that shatters them, forcing us to rethink what's possible and inspiring us to reach higher. Not long ago, the idea of carrying a pocket supercomputer was pure science fiction. Now it's a smartphone, an everyday tool that connects us to the world and each other. Progress sneaks up on us, blurring the line between imagination and reality, transforming our daily lives in ways we never expected. The impossible is being redefined, as boundaries that once seemed unbreakable are now being pushed further every day. We're not just improving what we have, we're changing how we live, travel, and connect, building bridges across continents and realities. These are giant leaps, powered by curiosity, creativity, and the belief that we can always do better, no matter the challenge. The future isn't just coming. It's being built right now, brick by brick, idea by idea, in labs, factories, and minds across the globe. Our daily routines, commuting, working, connecting, are being challenged and reshaped by new ideas and technologies. What if your hotel floated above the clouds, offering views once reserved for dreams and explorers? What if your commute soared over traffic, turning hours of gridlock into minutes of flight and freedom? These are real engineering problems being solved today, with teams around the world racing to make the future arrive sooner. The motivation? A world that's more efficient, sustainable, and exciting. A place where innovation and responsibility go hand in hand. Human innovation is about defying limits, dreaming of flight, of space, and now, of solutions to modern challenges that once seemed unsolvable. This is a journey into those dreams, a step into the unknown, where every discovery opens new possibilities. We'll explore technologies emerging from the realm of the impossible, inventions that are rewriting the rules of what we can achieve. These inventions will define our next chapter. Buckle up, because the pace of change is only accelerating. The tour of tomorrow is about to begin, and the horizon is brighter than ever before. The most powerful force in the universe? A human mindset on a new idea, ready to shape the future, one bold thought at a time. Imagine a hotel that glides through the stratosphere, never touching the ground. The Sky Cruise is a concept for a nuclear-powered flying hotel, an airborne city with restaurants, theaters, and panoramic decks. Passengers and supplies arrive via electric jets, docking like shuttles to a space station. Its secret, a compact nuclear fusion reactor providing clean, limitless energy. 20 electric engines keep it aloft, stabilized by AI for a smooth ride. Lightweight composites and advanced control systems make the impossible plausible. Safety is paramount, with multiple layers of shielding for the reactor. The Sky Cruise is more than a wild idea. It's a testament to human ambition. It pushes the boundaries of travel and hospitality. Imagine a world where yachts don't just glide across the water, but soar high above the clouds. What if a yacht could fly? The Lazzarini Air Yacht is a revolutionary concept that blurs the line between a superyacht and an airship, merging the best of both worlds into one breathtaking vessel. Two massive helium-filled blimps gently lift a sleek carbon fiber hull, allowing it to cruise silently through the sky or float gracefully on water, offering a unique dual experience. It's the ultimate freedom. Anchor in a secluded bay one day, then soar over majestic mountain ranges the next, all without ever leaving your luxurious surroundings. Crafted from ultralight carbon fiber, the Air Yacht uses advanced solar-powered electric propellers, ensuring quiet, eco-friendly travel with minimal environmental impact. The challenge lies in managing such a massive, lighter-than-air craft as it navigates changing weather conditions, all guided by sophisticated AI systems for safety and efficiency. Maintaining structural integrity and ensuring helium retention are key engineering hurdles, requiring constant innovation and rigorous testing. Regulations for these air-sea hybrids don't exist yet, but visionaries and engineers are pushing boundaries, determined to make this dream a reality. The air yacht represents a bold new era of personal travel, where the sky is no longer a limit, but a pathway. Now, the sky is just another vast ocean to explore, filled with endless possibilities and adventure. The future of luxury is truly untethered, free to roam, to dream, and to discover new horizons. Robots are evolving from clumsy machines to partners with a sense of touch rivaling our own. Advanced tactile sensors let them feel pressure, texture, and temperature, enabling delicate tasks once reserved for humans. A robotic hand with synthetic skin and thousands of sensors can pick up a wine glass or assist in surgery. In healthcare, they help the elderly. In manufacturing, they handle fragile components. These robots are becoming intuitive collaborators, breaking barriers between humans and machines. The challenge replicating the complexity of human touch and understanding context. Engineers are developing AI that interprets not just actions, but intentions. The goal robots seamlessly integrated into our lives. The car's basic design hasn't changed in a century, but that's about to end. Tomorrow's cars are rolling lounges, mobility pods, and statements of a new age. Designs like the Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR use biometrics and nature-inspired forms. Modular vehicles adapt to your needs. City pod or family cruiser. Built from carbon fiber and graphene, they're light, strong, and efficient. Power comes from hydrogen fuel cells or solar skins. Cars that generate their own energy. The shift is about more than being green. It's about independence and resilience. As cars become self-driving, interiors become living spaces. The challenge rethinking design, safety, and urban planning. The destination smarter, cleaner, more integrated mobility. What if we could pull water and energy straight from the air? Atmospheric water generators condense and purify water from humidity, powered by the sun. Hydropanels can provide clean water anywhere. Deserts, disaster zones, off-grid villages. Meanwhile, devices like AirGen generate electricity from atmospheric moisture using protein nanowires. These technologies promise independence from traditional resources. Challenges remain: efficiency in dry climates and scaling up power generation. But the potential is immense, a future where water and energy are abundant. The atmosphere itself becomes our reservoir. The dream of flying cars is becoming reality as air taxis, electric vertical takeoff craft, take shape. Summon one with an app, board at a rooftop vertiport, and fly above city traffic in minutes. Advances in batteries, distributed propulsion, and AI make them quiet, safe, and autonomous. Large windows offer panoramic city views. The ride is smooth and peaceful. The challenge: building vertiports, managing air traffic, and earning public trust. Companies and regulators are working together to make urban skyways real. The solution to gridlock may be in the air above us. The commute is about to be transformed. Flying hotels, air yachts, tactile robots, and futuristic cars may seem like distant dreams. But this future is being built now, in labs and workshops worldwide. Innovation is a quiet revolution. Thousands of small breakthroughs, years of persistence. Each solved problem brings us closer to the impossible. Electric cars were once novelties. Now they're mainstream, thanks to relentless effort. Today's wild ideas follow the same path: skepticism, hard work, and eventual acceptance. The lesson: progress is patient and relentless. The architects of tomorrow are problem solvers, not magicians. Every leap begins as a single audacious thought. The distance between dream and reality is measured by the courage to begin. We stand at a crossroads. Today's technologies are reshaping our world in ways we once only imagined. Every day, new breakthroughs redefine what's possible, blurring the line between science fiction and reality. A hotel floating among the clouds, a flying yacht gliding above the ocean, a gentle robot lending a helping hand. These are not just dreams, but bold statements of human potential and creativity. The limits we see are often self-imposed. Within the laws of physics, there's always room to dream bigger, to imagine more, and to push beyond what we think is possible. Innovation is accelerating at an unprecedented pace, fueled by collaboration, curiosity, and the courage to ask, what if? We must update our sense of what's possible and build wisely, with sustainability and equity at the heart of every decision, ensuring progress benefits everyone. The power to create comes with responsibility, to our planet, to each other, and to future generations who will inherit what we build. Next time you look up, imagine air taxis and sky cruises. Today's wildest dreams becoming tomorrow's everyday reality, shaped by visionaries like you. The future is what we build, idea by idea, invention by invention, as we turn imagination into action. The impossible is just a challenge waiting to be accepted, a call to rise above and redefine our limits. Humanity is turning dreams into reality, and the universe is watching, waiting to see what we'll achieve next.